Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to change profile picture on Weverse. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Weverse application. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here Weverse application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. In this interface at top, you'll be able to see all the communities you follow. Simply tap on the community of your choice. Now in this communities, you'll be able to see your profile. So if you want to change the profile picture, what you have to do is tap on the profile icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to your profile interface. You'll be able to see your profile information over here. So if you want to change the profile picture, tap on this option, edit profile. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to edit the profile from here. Over here, you'll be able to see your current profile picture. So simply tap on it. Now you'll be able to find two options over here. Select from library, delete current photo. Simply tap on the option, select from library. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to select the profile picture. Simply tap on the photo that you want to upload as the profile picture. After doing that, tap on the done option that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to see your profile picture over here. You can adjust it like this. After you're done, tap on the done option that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here your profile picture has been uploaded. Simply tap on the option save. Wait for a while. Now you can see over here your profile picture has been changed. So that is how you change profile picture on Weverse. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.